Best strategy of the March 2024. Hi, my name is Camila and today I'm gonna tell you all the secret of the best strategy of March 2024. So let's start as usual with the choosing assets with the biggest payout as much as possible to fit in our screen. So I'm choosing with 92%, that is the biggest payout that we can have. Also, we have the candles for 30 seconds and we're gonna have three indicators, that is zigzag, that the oscillator and the average true range. We all gonna change the period for the 7 here, and here the style we are saving. Also we're changing the period here for the 7 too, so we're gonna have the synchronize all the three indicators. Also we changing here for the 7 and here for the 5, and we're gonna make it the white line and we're gonna make it like this. Okay guys, so we are ready to trade, so let's find the best asset to put our money in. So let's find out what's gonna happen right here. So first of all, we can see on this asset the market is pretty unstable, that it works with the curves, and the first thing that I attempt to focus is that we have this long tail right here that told us, well, I tried to go higher, but honestly that is not my position here. And now I can see also that we don't have a lot of buyers right here, and we can go to the movement downwards. Also on average true range we have this tail that goes downwards pretty surely and pretty confident. Also we again have this long tail that's showing us, well, higher it's not for us today, sorry guys. So now we are pretty in the safety zone if the market is pretty unstable, but it's okay, we are having our first profit for today and that is amazing, that's just wonderful. Okay, let's continue, let's put $600. We're gonna continue with 1 minute timeline for now, and let's see what's happening on different movements. So I'm gonna go higher for here and I'm gonna tell you why. First of all, we have kind of flexible tail on the average true range. Also we have the potential on the oscillator to put the price upwards. Also we had a long tendency to go downwards right here, but I think that we are going with the maximum situation right here, so we're gonna compensate this long falling down to the higher positions that I'm pretty sure in it. Also, as you can see, we have this long tail on the new candle that's showing us, please guys, downwards is not very confident for us and not very profitable, so we're probably gonna try the higher positions and that's gonna be it for sure. As you can see, the price is trying to go higher and probably we couldn't do it. Okay guys, we didn't have the profitable deal, but you already saw that we had this little to have the profitable deal. We're gonna use the martingale strategy. We are focused, we are not upset, and we're gonna cover our non-profitable deal up. Okay guys, so let's continue. It's not scary if you had one non-profitable deal, it's okay. We're gonna cover it up with martingale strategy. So I already put the amount of money for 1,200 and let's just continue our movement. So I put the price to downwards position because we're working here in this asset with the curves, as you can see. Also on average true range we can have this flexible tail that's showing us that we are working pretty stably to the downwards position. Also on oscillator we can see that we already have this kept buyers, so price is probably gonna go downwards. Also we can see from these candles that we have right now that we tested the area from the higher and that is not very comfortable for us, so we're probably gonna go downwards here. Also from the zigzag we can see the curve situation that is pretty understandable for us, and I think that everything is okay here, and you can see it for yourselves that if when you have all the technical analysis and understand all the market, you can easily cover cover up non-profitable deals. And guys, we have the profits, so we already covered up our non-profitable situation, but I warn you, the martingale strategy is only for the moment when you're 100% sure, when you use the technical analysis, when you look at the indicators, because sometimes you can lose 2 times more. So let's continue and let's make some more deals. So we have pretty likable situation right here, and I'm gonna put for 2 minutes now, and let's put the price to the higher position. I put it for 1,200. It's okay, not scary thing. So let's continue. What we can see from this candle, that is candle of mystery. As you can see, it had the tail to the upwards and to the downwards too, but still it's kind of tricky situation, and the second candle is going to the same position. But what is interesting in this situation, that we have a lot of buyers on the oscillator that is showing up, and also average true range showing us a tendency that the price is growing higher. So this candle that is closing up right now showing us that we are tested the area to the downwards and we are not going there. Also, as you can see, that we're working with a very big curves. We have a lot of curves, and now we're going for a second curve. So when you see that the market working with the curves, you can analyze and pretty understand that, well, we have the curves, we already have one part of the curve, that probably we're gonna have the another part of the curve that easily, and pretty understandable. And as you can see, the indicator zigzag is already had this line, this broken line to our position, and we're pretty in the safe zone right here. I can tell for sure that is pretty okay for us to make our candle to close up, and you will again see that we are testing downwards position, and it's not very comfortable for our price right there. So I think that we're gonna go a little bit higher for the moment, and then we're gonna go downwards in the position, but still I think we have time to take our profit and feel ourselves safe and not worry about our money. And guys, that easily we're having the profit again, just wonderful. Oh my god. Okay guys, so let's continue and let's put $100 and $500 for example somewhere right here. We're using 2 minutes on the stage, and I say that we're gonna go downwards in this 2 minutes. So first of all, I can see tail of this candle that's showing me, yes, we had the moment of testing area of higher, but probably we're gonna go downwards because this area wasn't very comfortable for us. Also, as you can see, we working with the curves, as I told you already, and we had one part of the curve, so now we're gonna go downwards to complete the curve. Also, we have the tendency on average true range to go downwards, and I'm pretty sure that the buyers are escaping this market, and in a few seconds oscillator gonna show it up for us. And now we're going confidently to the downward situation. Yes, we're gonna have a little tickles to the upwards, that is the meaning of the curve, that is okay. Also, again, the candle showing us up that the higher position is not very comfortable for the price right now, so we have just 1 minute till our trade gonna close up, and I think that is wonderful. Let's continue to wait and see what is happening right here. So we continue stably to go downwards, even the zigzag showing us the breaking line, the second part of the curve, that we are going to the right direction. Also, the oscillator showing us that the buyers are really escaped the market, and you can see it for yourself. That is just wonderful for us and for our position on the market right here. And let's wait a little bit, and we're gonna have our profitable, very nice and easy situation. And as you can see, because I didn't get sad or something, I get the profit even that I had non-profitable deals. Because I used the martingale strategy, I already have $3,400 in a plus from this trading session, and I think now we can make one more deal to show you that this strategy is really really working for the March area, because the March gonna be very curvish, believe me. So as we can see again, oscillating non-buyer situation. We have one part of the curve, we're gonna go to the another part of the curve. We have pretty understandable average true range tail that is going to the downwards position again. And also we have this little mystery candle that showed us up. Well, we had the position to try higher, but well, it's not really worked for us. We're gonna go downwards probably to complete the curve, and I'm pretty sure in that. The market, as you can see, really unstable here, so let's just wait a little bit, and I think that we're gonna go downwards here just in few seconds. So as you can see, the candles is testing the area higher of this motion, and I think that we're gonna go downwards, and as you can see, we are going downwards. That is the political moment of the curve, that if you have one part, and as you can see that whole market in the curve, you're gonna have the second part. Just find the best moment. I cannot say that we put it our price well in 100% moment, but this is not the bad moment, not the worst moment for sure, so it's gonna be okay. And we're already going through our position zone, and I'm pretty sure that we're gonna go lower here, because it's pretty understandable from these points of downwards moments of curve. And also we can see that we still don't have a lot of buyers, and average true range only showing us downwards tail situation. And oh my god guys, just so easily we have one more profit. So we earned more than $5,000 just with this easiest strategy for the March 2024. It was the all secret and all tiny moments that you should know trading in this month. Also, if you want to grow your capital, don't forget about my Telegram channel where I give free signals and you can trade with me online. Also, don't forget to subscribe on my channel and put the notifications on so you won't miss my video. Also, if you liked it, please put the likes on. I love you very much. Bye.